Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another Jus Drag'n Random Thoughts. So in today's video, I am going to be discussing another new gadget that I recently acquired after my old air fryer died on me. Literally, it was smoke everywhere. And so it was like, okay, it's done. So this unit here is called the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus Rotisserie Dehydrator Convection Oven, 17 touch preset fry, roast, dehydrate, bake, extra large, 10-quart family size, auto shut off, large easy view window unit. That's a lot. It's a mouthful. So, as I just said, this is a 10-quart air fryer. And let me just read a little bit of the information about this unit. So it says that it is a versatile countertop cooking, air fryer, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, or roast to crispy perfection in one convenient appliance. It says it cooks faster. There's now no need to preheat like traditional ovens. This is an all in one convection oven that uses rapid air heating elements to cook fast, even, and crispy food. Healthy food is now made easy. Make healthy meals using 98% less oils than your traditional fryers. It is a simplified setup. Anyone can cook perfect meals in minutes with 17 preset options and an easy to use capacitive touch control screen. It has all inclusive and includes 3 airflow racks, stainless steel rotisserie oven pit with forks, stainless steel rotating basket, retrieving tool, and a dip tray. So, for family size meals, it says make meals for the family with an extra large 10-liter capacity. It is also great for meal prep for large quantities of food. It says you can monitor your food progress with interior lights and extra large air fryer window that allows you to check on your food's progress. There is minimal cleanup. The removable dip tray and dishwasher safe parts keep cleanup fast and safe. So this item here, I was excited when I saw it on Amazon, which is my most loved and hated store. Oh, just a disclaimer if I didn't already say it, neither Amazon or Chefman is sponsoring or paying me for my comments or review of this particular unit. As I said, I had one, it died, literally went up in smoke. I saw this, I bought it, I got it. So let's keep going. So right now, this particular unit is selling on Amazon for $118.81. It is a 15% discount off of the original price, which is $139.99. If you are a Prime member, if you are interested, you can order today and get it today. So that is a little bit about this particular unit. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, and you can see I've got it plugged in and it kind of rotates back from the 400 degrees to the 15 minutes. You've got the ability to bake, air fry, dehydrate. It has the settings as I read uh, a minute ago. It has a light, it has start, stop, cancel. What was neat that this item included, and you may not be able to see it in the video here, and I'll move closer, because I got this came with it. I didn't expect that, but these are bonus liners. It says enjoy 10 parchment liners for your air fryer basket. You can order more. But as I said, I previously had an air fryer. So prior to that air fryer dying, I was using these silicone baskets that I also got from Amazon. So I may use those as well in this oven as well. And I had already bought some other parchment paper liners that I plan to use in this oven. But this is what you use if you want a rotisserie, like maybe a chicken or fish or ham or something. You put it in here. And then, of course, here's your basket. You can put fish or fries or vegetables or, whatever it is that you intend to cook. This is the handle that helps you pull the items out because it's going to be hot. As you can see, I pulled that out, no issue. And I got 3 of these things that came with it. All right. This is your drip tray. Turn the light on. See how bright that is? That's pretty cool. So I'm actually looking forward to using this. Um, for the price, you would think that something like this might cost you a couple $100, maybe 2, 3. But there's so many different variations of air fryers on the market. I was actually looking for a Ninja. However, the price was not in my price point. This fell into my price point, and I said, okay, let me go for it. And luckily, being a Prime member, I was able to order it last night, get it last night. I've set it up, so I will be attempting to use this today to cook something. I'm not a cook, so I don't have any type of meals prepared, but I will fix something that I may enjoy. So I may come back in the future with another update just to let you know how this particular unit works. As I said, all of the items that are able to be pulled out are dishwasher safe. Always, always, always. This is kind of common sense, but if you're using it in a house or an apartment, it does tell you to keep it um, well, it's in the kitchen, so it's not far from my stove, but don't put it on your stove. Don't put it too close to your stove. As you can see, I have very high cabinets behind the unit, so I will pull it out so that it has ventilation. I do have a window here, so if necessary, I will open the window so that it has proper ventilations to cook and it doesn't start a fire or anything in my home. So, looking forward to using this. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe. More content will be coming as I get more random items that just have random thoughts about it. But thank you for tuning in to Jus Drag'n's Random Thoughts. And until next time, see you then. Bye bye.